Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Stessa effectively. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out stessa.com and you'd be redirected to this website. Now, right here at the top, you have the landlord login or landlord sign up. So if you don't have an account yet on Stessa, so you just have to click on the landlord sign up. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, of course, you have to add here your property. Okay, so you have to enter one of your property addresses to start. So here you can track your properties, you can manage all of your properties in one place, streamline maintenance and rent collection, find better tenants, and focus on performance. Okay, so here just have to use the search bars. For example, you have a property, so you have to search for your address to validate it. Okay, so since we don't have any property on specific location, so what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you the features. Okay, so as you can see at the top, we have accounting, leasing, tenant screening, landlord banking, and rent collection. So let's start with the accounting. Okay, so here you can automate your rental property accounting. You're an investor, not a trained CPA, so you can afford to get bogged down doing journal entries in QuickBooks. That's why you need advanced software purpose built for landlord. So here, they built the system so you don't have to. Okay, so here they also have mobile apps, so your transaction at your fingertips. Bookkeeping, keep it simple with a single entry books. And for the financial reporting, you can run your numbers with confidence. So here for the mobile app, the number one landlord app, eliminate the shoebox. The Stessa mobile apps, smart scan technology processes and categorizes your receipts with just a few clicks. So that makes it easy to maximize your deduction come April. So you can also use the mobile app to manage transaction on the go, show off photos of your properties to your friends, and so much more. Okay, now for the bookkeeping. So Stessa securely imports, categorizes, and indexes all your expenses seamlessly. Connect to banks, lenders, credit cards, and property managers to see all your data in one place. And here for the financial reporting, Stessa provides a full suite for dashboards and reports, all purpose built for landlords. So key reports are interactive and clickable, allowing you to quickly understand which underlying transactions are included in each calculation. Now, for the next one, we have the leasing. Okay, so here you can find, screen, and sign only the best tenants. So placing a new tenant can be make or break moment for your rental investment. So here, vacancy marketing, tenant screening, and legal documents and e-signing. Now, for the vacancy marketing, leasing missteps are among the most costly errors a landlord can make. So, place the wrong tenant and everything can go up in smoke. So, set yourself up for long term success by using Stessa to list your vacant units and collect tenant applications. Easily track results across your entire portfolio and move applicants forward based on your unique criteria. Now, for the tenant screening, so with the Rent Prep's comprehensive tenant screening service integrated into Stessa, it is easy to make informed decisions about prospective tenants, get a full credit report, along with eviction and criminal history, including bankruptcies, judgments, and liens. Now, here for the credit report only, you only need to pay for $29, and for the full background check only, we have $29 as well. And for the complete screening package, we have $49 for that one. Okay, and for the legal docs and e-signing, so keep your preferred tenant prospects moving forward through lease review and contract signing. So with a full library of legal docs at they're ready. So, including the leases and tenant notices and DocuSign's industry leading e-signing experience. So, the paid Stessa Pro plan is a no brainer for busy investors. Okay, next one we have landlord banking. So, let's just skip the tenant screening. So, here you can let your money grow with APY up to 3.98%. Now, right here we have collect rent and earn interest in your sleep, physical or virtual debit cards, seamless integration, and expense tracking. So here grow your portfolio and keep more what's yours. So no fees for bounce checks, no minimum balance requirements, no monthly maintenance fees, and no inbound wire fees. Yes, 3.98% APY. And yes, open as many accounts as you like. Okay, right here, business banking that pays up to 9 times the national average. So, Stessa Cash Management combines the flexibility of a bank account with a highly competitive APY. So, in addition, FDIC insurance is available for your funds on deposit through our bank partner. Okay, so you get the best of both worlds with the paid Stessa Pro plan as you earn more than 9 times the national average interest rate on every dollar of deposits. Now, for the debit cards, you can get a card for each property and earn cash back on every purchase. Stop wasting time hunting down transactions. So, Stessa securely import, categorizes, and indexes all your expenses seamlessly. So the next one is we have the rent collection. Okay, so for the rent collection, free rent collection with auto reminders. So you are in control with Stessa's fast and easy rent collection service. So automate key tasks like rent reminders, recurring ACH deposits, tenant ledger updates, and bookkeeping. Okay, so we have here collect rent without all the conversation, let automatic late fees be bad cop, and balance your books with less hassle. So you can make it easy for tenants to pay on time every time. So experienced landlords know that getting paid on time is half the battle. So with Stessa's online rent collection service, tenant can set up recurring ACH payments so you never again have to hear someone says the check's in the mail. Now, for the reminders and late fees, reclaim valuable time with rent collection on autopilot. So time spent chasing down tenants and reminding them to pay rent is time you can spend growing your portfolio. And lastly, we have your books are up to date so the minute rent arrives. So when rent collection and your accounting system of record are all in one place, you can rest assured that everything will tie out. So get an instant notifications whenever rent is deposited and then log in anytime to check tenant ledgers and run key financial reports. Okay, so we have more information about Stessa, so you can just visit their website right in this section. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.